So how to add duration in Primavera? You open up the Primavera and by simply add original duration column. If is not showing in your project, just go to this icon columns, click on date. Now from available options, click on available option, then click on find and click on write duration. Okay, find next. Now here you will find all duration types: actual duration, then completion duration, baseline project duration, remaining duration. So here you will find your original duration. I already added this one original duration in my project, so you can add it from here. For example, if it is not showing like that, so I go there, find like duration, click next, and click duration, click next. So here comes original duration. So I will click on it and click this icon, this arrow. So it is added. Click apply, click OK. So you see that duration has been added. Also, I can shift this duration to second column by go to original duration and click on this icon. So it will like that. So we can assign duration to the activities. For PCC concrete, let's suppose we require not 5 days but 8 days. We calculate. Also we calculate that we require time proofing 6 days. Click 6. This is a one way you can add duration. But how you will add duration to your whole project when you have thousands of activities? So we will calculate duration in Excel, then we will import this duration into the Primavera. So how we will do it? Let's check. Go to file, click export, then click on spreadsheet XLSX, click next, then click on activities and just activities also, click next, then click this one, then go for activity name also, resources, just modify, check it that original duration is added or not. So in this the duration has not been added, so we basically add duration column in it by go to find option and click duration, and next, here come original duration, add this. Also we didn't need start date, also finish date, also resources, just we need activity ID and activity name also good, activity duration, activity status, and WBS code is okay. Let's remove WBS code, it's okay, no. So click OK, next, click here where you save your file. So I will call it as, I will save it in my file P6 lectures and call it activities duration. Click open and next, finish. So the import has been successful. Now go to your file, activities with duration, here this one, PD1 activities with duration, click on it. Here you will see that the duration is already assigned, but we calculated duration according to our own productivity. Here I calculated here in this file that we have activity, then I have a quantity from BOQ, my BOQ, I have quantity. Then what will I do that I have a productivity bank. So I calculate what is the productivity of crew that it complete excavation. So it is 15 meter cube per day. Okay. So what how I can uh, calculate duration by simply dividing quantity with the productivity. Here you can see that C2 means that this one divided by this one, quantity divided by productivity give me uh, duration of the activity. Here in this way I calculated the duration of all my activities, the duration I calculated. So you can also calculate it. Simply you have a BOQ, you have quantities, you also have a productivity bank. Which will discuss. I will discuss inshallah in coming lecture that what is productivity bank. Basically, it is given to you by your organization that this is productivity of us. This is the productivity of our labors. So you get it. You simply divide quantity by a productivity and you get this duration. So I simply take all my duration from this one, click shift, click mouse icon, then control C, and I go to this file, and for example I paste it here. Another way to add duration, this is the one way, but there is another way to add duration to the activities. If I paste it simple, it is simple that I can paste my duration in this uh, project in this way. But we can also use VLOOKUP formula that it will find that from for this code for this code for this activity ID, what is the duration of the activity. So we can also do it, but here in this case we are just being a simple that we just copy and paste it in this. So for startup project we give 0, means that it is a milestone activity. Also we give 2 days. Okay, so what we have to do now, that just click on it, select all, then so go to data and go to text to column. Now click next, click on comma, and here click on this one, click next, and here click text, because Primavera read only text. So click next, click finish. Now our file is ready to import. Control S, close this file, save this one. Now go to Primavera, go to file, go to import, then spreadsheet, click next. Now import your activity where you have Excel file. So this is my BD1 activities duration. Click open, next, click activities, next, import to, click port 2, then click this plus icon, click next, and finish. Import was successful. Now you see that our startup project gives 0, then site clean is 8 days, then excavation is 0. We just add the here we give a start milestone, not a start milestone. This is a task dependent activity. Startup project is a milestone activity, so we give start milestone, then give whatever days, for example 7 days. So you see that, for example, there is in PCC concrete we have 4 days. So also in our productivity for PCC we have 4 days. Here you see that providing line cement concrete or PCC we have 4 days. So in this way we can add duration to our project. Thank you and see you in next lecture.